Oh, hey everybody. Gonna do a quick pre-order mail call.
With Baskin Robbins.
Oh yeah, 31 flavors. First, we'll go with the pre-order.
Here's all those boxes right there.
I'm guessing the other one hasn't shown up yet. I ordered 2 items. So you can see it's from TrainWorld, and I didn't have one of these, but I do now. Ah, the invoice. Okay. This is from Atlas Ready to Run, rolling stock.
Here.
Pull that out real quick.
Are you opening all of them at the same time?
Yeah. So make it a combination.
Tell Mom to get my ice cream. She's gonna eat it all.
Nah.
Yes.
Oh, we'll hurry. There. Now we have a BNSF caboose. Gee. Who'd have thought I would have got a caboose, right? Okay. On to the next one. Put my knife down out there. Okay. Now this is from Vinny from his Christmas show. And I don't even remember what it was I won.
Fireball. Ba, 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 ba. Is that bubbles?
That was number 14. And it is it's an Atlas Flint Hills Resources Trinity 2550 gallon 25,500 gallon tank car. There, get it all out. Set that one over there.
Oops.
Snap together good. Okay. That one doesn't even want to unpop. That's a good thing. There we go. Yeah, no, be careful. Those are pretty well detailed.
Yeah.
Okay. And all right, last one. From my brother Sparky from his Christmas show. And I'm not sure what I won there, but I know. I won peanuts.
I love them.
So I got, oh my gosh, all kinds of stuff in here. This is a Learning Sceneries Details Kit. There's a landscape kit. Oh yeah, these are cool. Otter Valley. Oh yeah, get a couple more of those. Some Sparky. Alright, now here's the stuff in the scenery learning kit. Oh, we've got some small tree stuff. Alright, that'll come in handy for us.
5
There's
minutes.
a tree. There's some more stuff. What is this? There's scenic glue. Alright. Put that over here so it doesn't get lost. And oh yeah.
Oh my god, you demolished that thing.
There's a
Ice
tree.
cream.
What, lose your ice cream cone?
Yeah, look.
Oh, wow. That's pretty good. Okay, and then here's a tree kit. More trees. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, Brother Vinny and Brother Sparky, for your Christmas shows and putting that on for everybody.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it, and we will see you later.
Bye.
Bye.